Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another quick Dollar Tree haul and a Target haul, if you can say. Just picked up a few items just in case you're curious of anything that's new at my branch. I have come across their multi-purpose mop head cleaning system in their cleaning section by Standard Essentials, and this is a two count, guys. I can't stress enough how important this is if you really have like those, mold and residue in those really small corner like sections of your tub or in the bathroom. This is great. Remember, they don't sell the basically the mop head is a separate from the actual like handle stick, so keep that in mind. I believe I have, or yeah, I can show you. This is how they usually sell it, and like I've mentioned before, it's Velcro. So once it gets filthy, you can just toss it, and then now you have two to replace them with. Or obviously you're not gonna use two at the same time, but you know what I mean. And this adapter also has a squeegee, so you do want to get the actual like mop head itself. Has that squeegee element, and you can really like scrape off the mildew. But then now you have these two to replace them when it gets too filthy. So there's that. And yes, we are in summertime, so that means a lot of insects. So I came across also in the same cleaning section, Closet Essentials. This brings two for $1.25 fly swatter set with metal handles. So it's not plastic. I like that it's metal, because plastic, like this, can stay plastic. This is great because it gives you the mobility of it moving when you really want to get that swat in. But the handle should be metal because it breaks apart so easily. I've had one for years and it just broke, so that's why I picked up one. Also in their cleaning section, they have brought back their magnet locker box pocket by Jot in their school supply section. I will say that the last Jot product was not great. It didn't hold up as well. This holds up pretty well. I think this little like added magnet has really improved this product. So we have that. Just make sure again that it's up against something. I'm obviously not a student, but I think it will come in handy if I want to put in some like pens and markers and whatnot and attach it to, say, my refrigerator. If I'm jotting something down, this will hold up a lot better than, I would say, the old item that was by Jot. Also, I think I've seen other people mention like putting makeup brushes. Just depends on like where the availability of the actual magnet. You need something metal for it to like really stand up straight, but it has a good grip. I tested it out in the store, so I do recommend this. And then lastly, they have these travel size Head and Shoulders. This is not available at the Dollar Tree. I wish. They have like the travel size kits, but not the travel size product. So this you can find at Target. Head and Shoulders is my preference, and it's 3 fluid ounces. This is like $2 and change, but not bad if you are traveling. And so I opted to pick up one. Also too, they do have, I think they also carry baby shampoo and baby oil, and I recommend those if you're on a pinch or you're traveling and you don't have access to your cleaning products. You can use baby shampoo, which is a lot more sensitive as opposed to a harsher product like shampoo for adults, and baby oil to kind of really get the gunk out. So if you're traveling, that's a nice little tip there for you to keep in mind. But these are great. I make for great travel size products if you are traveling this summer. All right, y'all, hope you really like this really quick Dollar Tree haul. If you like my videos, give us a like, leave us a comment down below. Is any item here standing out to you or something that you would invest in? Also, I have a GoFundMe, which I will link down below. And also let me know if you would like me to try out any of these products on camera. And I will set up a Patreon, and you let me know if you would be interested in tipping me. And that way we can test out the products in real time, and you can see, is it really worth your $1.25? If you like my channel, and would like to follow me here, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY haul review, which I have to get back to. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.